Silver Hill Duck was the first Irish company to be granted EPA approval for a full-scale drip irrigation system here at our duck production facility in Emmyvale, County Monaghan. As with all new innovative technologies, we were asked to prove that this would work. We undertook a pilot trial over a period of 18 months, and from that a comprehensive independent hydrological assessment report was compiled. This proved to the EPA that this is a solution that will work for Silver Hill Duck, and accordingly they granted our full EPA licence for the system in March 2023.
Hi, I'm Scott Parry from Bosta UK, a part of the Mega Group, one of Europe's leading irrigation specialists. Our remit here from Silver Hill was to be able to provide a system which recycled, cleaned and dispersed treated water from the factory and controlled mannered way under the ground. It's been a pleasure working with Silver Hill on this project. We're pleased to announce that this is one of Europe's largest subsurface drip irrigation systems.
The drip irrigation system ensures that all water used to produce our duck is recycled, cleaned and dispersed in an environmentally sustainable manner and with zero impact on the local environment.